In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download an invoice from GoDaddy. If you need a copy of your invoice for your records, accounting, or reimbursement, GoDaddy makes it fairly simple to find it from inside your account. I'll walk you through where to go and what to look for so you can follow along easily. First, open your GoDaddy account and sign in. Make sure you're logged into the correct account, especially if you manage more than one website, domain, or product. Once you're inside your account dashboard, look for your profile area. This is usually located near the top of the page, and it gives you access to your personal account options. Click on your profile, and then select Account Settings. This will take you to the section where you can manage account-related details and view information connected to your purchases. From there, look to the left-hand side of the page and click Order History. This is the area where GoDaddy lists your past purchases and transactions. If you've bought domains, hosting, email services, or any other products through GoDaddy, they should appear here. Once you're in Order History, review the list and locate the specific order you need the invoice for. It can help to look carefully at the date, product name, or total amount so you choose the correct order. After you click on that specific order, you should be able to view more details about it. In the order details, look for the option to download the invoice. Depending on the version of the page you're seeing, the wording may be slightly different, but it should clearly relate to the invoice or receipt. Click that option, and the invoice should download to your device, usually as a PDF file. From there, you can save it, print it, or send it wherever you need. One important thing to keep in mind is that the invoice download option will only be visible if you actually have order history in the account. In this example, that option was not visible because there were no previous orders yet. So if you don't see a Download Invoice button, the first thing to check is whether the account has any completed purchases listed in order history. And that's it. That's how to download an invoice from GoDaddy. Once you know where account settings and order history are, it becomes very quick to find what you need.